The only thing I'm seeing I'd like to put an amend on, perhaps a little more room here for the fixins. You know what I'm talking about?
Ooh, we're gonna have a lot of fixins?
We're gonna have so many fucking fixins up in this motherfucker. This shit's gonna go through the roof, man. God damn, I'm shitting.
What's going on YouTube? It's the homeboy, the Sneakerhead, coming to you with another pickup review. This time we're gonna be reviewing the Speedball game. Got the tie grids. Bring this camera down. Get a review. They say this is the box it comes in. Then we'll start the jumping box. Let's get into it. These are the He Got Games. Let's get into it. Starting at the bottom. That's just white. It's red and white. Maybe two of them coming up is black. And the black's red. Bottom. Carbon fiber. Green jump on. Then it's supposed to be Panther paws. Coming up with this nice, really nice tumble leather. Really beautiful tumble leather. The autograph in there. See it? Autogram in there. Take it to the front. The laces could have been a little thicker, but that's alright. Nice tumble tongue. On the end, you have some more of the suede. And then you have more of this beautiful tumble leather. As you see. This is the back. That's of Jordan right here. And I don't know if you can see it. Yes, that's us 13 in the back. Like I said, the laces could have been a little thicker, but these are the Super Perfect. These came from
wonder why the hell so many people are
Hip
trying
Hop
to tell me to
IOP.
slow down. Seems like motherfuckers should be shutting the hell up and enjoying the show.
Jump on the side, I don't know if you can see it. Comes with the shoe tree. Again, these are the Super Perfect. Does have a suede on the tongue and then the leather. But again, these are the Super Perfect He Got Games. Got these from Hip Hop IOP. Real nice sneaker. Real nice. Tumble leather. It's a nice sneaker. So if you like it,